Hello and good morning to my YouTube family. As you can see, I'm back for this video. So guys, thank you for watching my vlog. And do you like my brother become host on my YouTube from the previous video? So you need to comment down below if you like it or you don't. You need to like it. Okay, so for today we want to update to our Rebuild Ninja update here. This is our update. So guys, okay, this is our update from our ninja. Back there. We already fixed like 40% of the bike, but apparently we have new problem. Another day, another problem. Another day, another problem. Another day, another problem needs to be fixed. So I will bring you guys to this build, okay? I will tell you what is the problem. Look, brother, what are you doing, brother?
I'm hunting for the cockroaches.
But our house don't have.
Huh?
But our house don't have cockroaches.
Oh yes. That's why I'm hunting, because it's hard to hunt cockroaches in our house. Yes. Sorry. I'm seriously searching for cockroaches in this house. I'm climbing all the place at this house just to find the cockroaches. And then I find out that cockroaches only sit at the floor, not at the roof. Oh my god.
Okay guys, so I have the key. I have the key to the ninja. 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 So the problem is when you try to start this bike, okay?
No, brother. I think that is not the problem. The problem is you must remove the clothes on the bike first.
I think we don't need to remove it because today is very cold day. You see, it's rainy, it's winter, whatsoever. So the bike is so cold. So today is very cold day. So we don't need to remove this. So when I put the key, see, you cannot turn it. Yes, finally, that is the first problem. And the second problem is when you try to start this bike, okay? Okay, it's on. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? It's not start. So brother, what is the problem? What is the problem with this bike?
The problem is the bike cannot start, right?
Yes.
The bike cannot start. Maybe he's merajuk. Brother, merajuk in English what? Brother.
I think the battery is dead.
No,
merajuk man. So
the battery is dead.
another problem is we need to replace the battery for this bike. Yeah. I think the last time we replaced this battery 2 years ago. So we need to get a new battery. So sorry for today, we don't have any startup from this bike. Yeah, no shooting flame, no whatsoever. I'm so sorry about that. This is the front bracket to our Ninja 250. You can see it's bending here, and this part too. And then this part I think is okay. So we need to fix this, and then we can start to figure out how to assemble back our bike. Brother,
Yes.
another update? You have any update?
Any update is I'm still trying to searching my chicks, my future chicks. I'm searching for chicks.
So guys, if you want to be he's searching for a girlfriend, you know, if you want to
I'm not searching for girlfriend. I'm searching for chicks.
you are cheap enough to be in our vlog, so you need to comment down below if you want to join our vlog. It's every day, right? It's every day, right, brother?
It's every day. Now I'm sweaty again, and today I don't need to bath. Finally.
So guys, this is our AC project that we install. Our AC project. So let's go inside. So guys, we are already trying to fix this. You can see here is broken apart here, and this part and this part. I think I already fixed it, you can see. But it's not straight. I think I need to redo this, you know. It's so suck. Or if we cannot fix this, we need to get new one. Another exhaust. This is that our arrow. Here we have couple box here, and here. So all the part to fix this part is here. Can you hear the song? Brother, what are you doing, brother?
A long time ago when I was a kid until now, I wondering how the Assassin's Creed can fall down from a tallest tower in the place into the
Brother, I cannot see your face, brother. It's so dark.
It's dark, okay. As long as you know that I'm at the top place. I wondering how they fall down from the high place. Now I want to try it. No. I love my life. The assassin only a liar. You trust assassin, why? You trust assassin, why?
Can see sleeping. Okay, I don't know where is Thomas, brother. Do you know where is Thomas?
He is hunting for a girlfriend.
Yes, we cannot find Thomas. Thomas, where are you, Thomas?
Now I know where is Thomas.
No Thomas for today.
Under the car.
Oh, there. Thomas? Meh.
Is that our cat?
I don't know.
Oh, sometimes I think about my future. Before that, brother,
you need to tell your new account. Your new YouTube account, and then what your future plan for your YouTube channel.
I have new YouTube account now. Oh, my muscle now bigger. I'm creating my YouTube channel, my new YouTube channel, until I have this. I am the keyboard warrior. Okay, let's back to my channel name. My channel name is One Firdaus. Don't worry, my brother will put the link in the description. I'm starting from 0 subscriber again. WTF.
So, brother, are you still want to do the anime?
Anime is good, anime always telling us some moral of the stories. Moral the stories that I get from the anime, one of that is we must have a big boob. Second, we must love whenever we are siblings. And third, we need to show our sexy to the boy to make sure they fall in love with us. Fourth, we must I don't know lah. It's too much moral of the stories from the anime. Why? Big boo.
So I think I'm not gonna cut this. So the whole YouTube family will know your behavior. 338 subscriber. Yes, gone. It's gone. So brother, start from zero, okay?
No
more
worry.
anime.
No worry.
No more anime, brother.
People love anime. People love to see anime posing or sexy. But.
Brother?
And then, brother. Yeah, and then, brother. And then, brother. And then. There is song from me. It's good, right? It's good.
So guys, that's all for today's vlog. Yeah, it's just a short video for today, right?
Why you so much so, guys?
So that's all for today.
And then
so don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video to your friend, whatever, your family. And then we will update soon about this front fairing, because we are heading to order the front fairing, and then we hopefully.
You have idea or not, brother?
Hopefully lah. Okay, next month we can fully assemble this bike and we can get back to the road. Okay, it take a long time. When I was a child, I want to be a YouTuber. And then when I was a child, I want to be a YouTuber. And then I want to be a YouTuber when I was a child. Okay. So that's all for today's vlog. Thank you guys for support me. Thank you for today. See you later, okay? Bye bye.